Good morning, students. I hope you all have done well in the examination, and as you all know that I am going to discuss the examination which we have done, which we have attempted a few minutes ago. Actually, whatever you have written, that's very good, and I hope all the questions to be asked in the examination must be corrected by you all. Must have marked the correct option. But as you all know that I'm going to make a video of the solutions to the questions which had been asked in your test. So first of all, we shall discuss about the literature. Then after we shall discuss about the language. Okay, students, are you getting me? So I will tell you the answer of the literatures first of all. Then after I shall discuss the language portions. It means about tenses. So let's start. The first question is I will read out, and you have to be very attentive, very careful while listening to this video, because I'm not going to make a long video. So I'm going to make it precise. So the first question is, first of all, listen to me very carefully. I'm telling you again and again. I will just write down the answer, and I will read out the question, and I will write down the answer only. Okay. So the first question is, who are Margie and Tommy? The first question goes, who are Margie and Tommy? So the answer is friends. Option number C. Answer C. What they are? They are friends. This is the first answer of the question, who are Margie and Tommy. Now see the second option, second question. To which world does the story take the readers to? To which world does the story take the readers to? And the answer is future world. Answer D. The correct answer is D. Answer D. Future world. Future world. Future world where computers will play a major role. This is the correct answer. Now let's start. Let's see the next question. What is virtual reality? Answer is C. Reality created by computer software. What is virtual reality? Reality created by computer software is the right answer of this question. So the answer C is correct. Actually, answer C is the right answer. Now see the next question. Which year has the story been set in? Question is, which year has the story been set in? And answer is A. Option A is correct. 2057. Answer A is correct. 2057. 2057. Next question is, who is the author of this lesson? Who is the author of this lesson? Actually, the ink has been reduced. That's why, and I don't have any other option to refill it. That's why I'm just telling you the right answer, and you listen to me very carefully. Okay, students? It's a bad luck. So sad. I can't write the answer because the pen has gone. Okay. So the next question is, who is the author of this lesson? Answer is Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov is the author of this lesson. And the next question is, what is virtual classroom? What is virtual classroom? And the answer D. Option D is the correct option, and the answer is where learning is done through computer, software and internet. Option D is the correct option. And what is option D? Where learning is done through computer, software and internet. Next question is, who is the main character of this story? Who is the main character of this story? And the main character of this story is Margie. So the correct option is C. The correct option is C, Margie. Next question, where did Tommy find the book? Where did Tommy find the book? And the answer is in his house. Option C is the correct option, in his house. Next question, how old is Margie? How old is Margie? Margie is 11 years old. Option B is the correct option. Margie is 11 years old. Next question, what did Tommy find? And you all know that option A is the correct option, and option A is an old book with yellow cranky pages. An old book with yellow cranky pages. Next question, what is a debate? Option A is the correct option, and it tells a contest to show ability in argument between two people. A contest to show ability in argument between two people. Next question. Now, see. Now, part A, literature, has been done. Now, I am going to explain language part. Language part means tenses. The question which were based on tenses. टेंसेस पर जो बेस्ड ऑन जो क्वेश्चंस थे वो मैं अब डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चंस को मैं स्टडी करूंगा, क्वेश्चंस में रीड आउट करूंगा, पढ़ूंगा और इसका आंसर मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. एंड नाउ सी, लिसन टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. For 100 years or so, some critics dash that poetry is dying, and that time poets dash poems that later generation recognize as great. So the answer is option A is the correct option, and option A tells have maintained / have been writing. Have maintained / have been writing is the correct option. Now see the next question. When the Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli dash a map of Mars in 1877, he dash a large number of straight line linear features which he called canali, that is channels. So the correct option is D, and it is published / noted. Published and noted is the correct option. So next question is, the orders were that we dash the area within house sorry, within hours. I'm going to repeat the same question. The orders were that we slash the area within hours to prevent further loss of life. To prevent further loss of life. And the answer is had to evacuate. Option D is the correct option, and it is had to evacuate. Had to evacuate is the correct option. Okay, student. Now let's see the next question. As I dash you yesterday, the undersecretary dash over this afternoon's discussion. As I dash you yesterday, the undersecretary dash over this afternoon's discussion. And the answer is told slash will be presiding. Told slash will be presiding. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Told slash will be presiding. Next question is, in the past few months, our company director dash more metal than most industrialists dash in an entire career. I'm going to repeat the same question. In the past few months, our company director dash more metal than most industrialists dash in an entire career. So the correct option is A, and it is had shown slash have done. The correct option is had shown slash have done. Next question. The Etruscans, T is silent, the Etruscans who dash a great part of Italy about 900 BC dash from Asia Minor. The Etruscans who dash a great part of Italy about 900 BC dash from Asia Minor. So the correct option is, answer is were colonizing slash might originally come. It is the correct option. Were colonizing slash might originally come. But I think it must be were colonized. I will tell you later about these situations. Actually, there must be were colonized. So let it happen. I'll tell you later about this questions. There is a minor mistake to be given in this part. Two questions are left, and I will discuss the rest two questions in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.